Learners, welcome to bimodeler.com. We are seeing a series of tutorials about small tools and tips available with the Revit. Today, we're going to see an option which is helpful for modeling Revit MEP, where when you draw a pipe work, you'll have a different angles and as a project manager, you may have to control them, fabrication, make the model constructible and manageable in a way that it's fabrication ready. And you see this pipe work elbow, which is a different angle that what actually it is available in the market, which leads to again a rework or maybe a custom fitting that is needed for that fabrication part. So in this case, to avoid this, there are multiple ways that we will be controlling this. This is the 33-degree that we have, and to control this we may have to control their snapping settings, which is available under the manage. You'll have a snap settings option available in this snap here, like this, and the angle can be controlled like this, and here the stretch value can be controlled. And when you do that, you can see that once you're drawing, you can see that 90-degree, and if I move it based on the zoom level we have, the degree value changes, 5-degree or 10-degree, whatever the degree that we wanted, so it changes. To control only restrict certain degrees, we have a setting under the manage, under the MEP settings, under mechanical settings. We are talking about the pipes, but the same setting applicable for the ductwork, it's the same setting applicable for the cable tray as well. But the thing is that the duct and cable trays can be little bit flexible, can be modified on the site, which is manageable, but the fireworks are fabricated, it's a product by default, so we may have to control by using their specific angle value which we needed. For in my case, I like to keep it in a degree which is 45-60-degree incremental, so which means always it increases on these degrees. When you have these settings available, go ahead and create the pipe work, so by giving the create similar CS. And now if you go ahead and when you try to create elbow, and if you see that automatically it moves out of that, and automatically it creates a fitting which is 45-degree. So the relevant degree round off value automatically it creates in. When I try to stretch it back in a different angle, and automatically it moves in to a different distance, again it maintains 60-degree. So this is how you'll be able to control in the beginning itself in your project template, and you will be able to control your all the elbows or T's, whatever the angle that you wanted to control, it automatically done in your project. So you don't have to worry about the different angles which is created. So it will be fabrication ready when you're doing this. I hope this tutorial helped you to set up your project template, and do remember to subscribe and share it with your learning friends, as we are making a series of tutorial in Revit, whatever the options that will be helpful. Do command it so that we will be able to make it video for you. Thank you so much. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.